Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Spotify username. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Spotify and update your Spotify application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go and open Spotify. Once you open Spotify, you simply need to click on the gear icon in the top right, and then you need to click on View Profile and click on Edit Profile, and here you can see name. Click on that and you can change according to your choice. So I'm going to write How to Solutions. Okay, and then you need to click on Save on the top right. Once you click on Save, your username will be changed. So this is a process by which you can change username on Spotify. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.